Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting and transformative topic, going 4 weeks without sugar and its incredible impact on your metabolism. In a world where sugar is often seen as a harmless treat, many don't realize how much it can affect our health. This video aims to shed light on the purpose of this sugar-free journey and why it's more relevant now than ever. As we explore the effects of cutting sugar from your diet, you'll discover a wealth of benefits that can come from this commitment. From improved energy levels to better mood stability, eliminating sugar can lead to a more vibrant and healthier you. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, with a clearer mind and a body that functions optimally. But that's not all. One of the most exciting aspects of this challenge is the potential changes in your metabolism. By removing sugar, you may find that your body starts to burn fat more efficiently, leading to weight loss and improved overall health. This shift can also help regulate insulin levels, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey with us, get excited. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll guide you through tips, tricks, and insights to help you eliminate sugar and enhance your overall well-being. Join us as we uncover the fantastic benefits of a sugar-free lifestyle and witness the positive changes in your metabolism and health. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding sugar and metabolism. To grasp the impact of sugar on our health, it's essential first to understand metabolism. Metabolism refers to the complex chemical reactions in our bodies to convert food into energy. This process is crucial for maintaining bodily functions, from breathing to digestion and repairing cells. A well-functioning metabolism helps us maintain a healthy weight and provides the energy we need for daily activities. Now let's discuss how sugar consumption influences these metabolic processes. When we consume sugar, our bodies break it down into glucose, used for energy. However, excessive sugar intake can lead to an overload of glucose in the bloodstream. This spike triggers the pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. While insulin is vital for energy management, frequent high sugar consumption can lead to overproduction, disrupting the delicate balance of our metabolic processes. This brings us to the concept of insulin resistance. Over time, if our bodies are constantly bombarded with high sugar levels, our cells can become less responsive to insulin. This condition, known as insulin resistance, can lead to higher blood sugar levels and is a significant risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Understanding the relationship between sugar and metabolism is crucial for maintaining overall health. By being mindful of our sugar intake, we can support our metabolic processes and reduce the risk of severe health issues. Week 1. The initial transition. Welcome to week 1 of your sugar-free journey. This first week is often the most challenging as your body begins to adjust to the absence of sugar. Many people experience withdrawal symptoms during this transition, which can include cravings, fatigue, irritability, and even headaches. These symptoms are typical signs that your body is detoxifying from sugar. To manage these withdrawal effects, stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and consider incorporating healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or yogurt to stabilize your energy levels. As you navigate this initial phase, finding alternatives to sugary foods and drinks is helpful. Instead of reaching for that sugary snack, try satisfying your sweet tooth with fresh fruit, smoothies, or dark chocolate in moderation. Herbal teas can also be an excellent substitute for sugary beverages, providing flavor without the added sugar. Experimenting with spices like cinnamon or vanilla can add sweetness to your meals without sugar. Tracking your progress and feelings throughout this week is crucial. Consider keeping a journal where you note your cravings, energy levels, and mood changes. This practice helps you stay accountable and reflect on how your body responds to the changes. Celebrate small victories, whether making it through a day without sugar or discovering a new healthy recipe. Remember, the first week is just the beginning, and each step you take brings you closer to a healthier, sugar-free lifestyle. Stay strong, and let's keep moving forward together. Week 2. Noticing changes. Welcome to week 2 of your sugar-free journey. By now, you may notice some exciting physical and mental changes as your body continues to adapt to life without sugar. One of the most significant improvements many experienced this week was increased energy levels. Without the constant spikes and crashes associated with sugar consumption, you might have more sustained energy throughout the day. This newfound vitality can improve focus and productivity, making daily tasks more manageable. Alongside increased energy, many individuals report a boost in their mood. As your body adjusts to a lower sugar intake, you may find that irritability and mood swings begin to diminish. This positive shift can be attributed to more stable blood sugar levels, which help regulate emotions and overall well-being. You might also notice changes in your cravings and appetite regulation. As your taste buds begin to recalibrate, you may find that your cravings for sugary snacks start to decrease. Instead of reaching for that candy bar, you might feel more satisfied with healthier options like fruits or nuts. This shift can lead to better appetite control, making sticking to your healthy eating goals easier. We'd love to hear about your experiences during this transformative week. Share your thoughts, challenges, and victories in the comments below. Connecting with others on this journey can provide motivation and support as we work towards a healthier, sugar-free lifestyle together. Keep up the great work, and let's embrace these positive changes. Week 3. Embracing a new lifestyle. Welcome to Week 3 of your sugar-free journey. By now, you're likely starting to embrace a new lifestyle prioritizing health and well-being. One of the most important adjustments you can make this week is to focus on meal planning. Planning your meals ahead of time not only helps you avoid the temptation of sugary snacks, but also ensures that you have nutritious options readily available. Consider dedicating a day each week to preparing meals and snacks, making it easier to stick to your goals. Healthy snacks are essential during this transition. Stock your pantry with raw veggies, hummus, nuts, and yogurt. These snacks can stabilize your energy levels and curb cravings without added sugar. These alternatives will make resisting the urge to reach for unhealthy choices easier. To make your sugar-free journey even more enjoyable, try experimenting with delicious recipes that are naturally sweetened or completely sugar-free. For example, you can whip up a refreshing smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk, or bake some oatmeal cookies using ripe bananas and oats. There are countless recipes available that can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals. Lastly, remember you don't have to go through this journey alone. Finding support can make a significant difference in your success. Whether it's friends, family, or online communities, sharing your experiences and challenges can provide motivation and encouragement. So reach out, connect, and let's continue to embrace this new lifestyle together. Keep up the fantastic work and enjoy the journey ahead. Week 4. The incredible results. Congratulations on reaching Week 4 of your sugar-free journey. This is a significant milestone, and it's time to reflect on the incredible results and benefits you've experienced over the past month. Many participants report notable health improvements, including better digestion, clearer skin, and enhanced energy levels. These changes are often attributed to reduced sugar in the diet, which can lead to decreased inflammation and improved overall health. One of the most exciting outcomes of this journey is the positive impact on metabolism. You may notice improved insulin sensitivity and more efficient fat burning as your body adapts to a lower sugar intake. This metabolic shift can help with weight management and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, making it a powerful change for your long-term health. We've also heard inspiring testimonials from participants who have embraced this challenge. Many have shared stories of increased vitality, reduced cravings, and a newfound appreciation for whole foods. Some have even reported significant weight loss and improved mood stability, highlighting the profound effects of eliminating sugar from their diets. As you wrap up this 4-week journey, take a moment to reflect on your own experiences and results. What changes have you noticed in your body and mind? How do you feel compared to when you started? Celebrating your progress is essential, whether through journaling, sharing with friends, or simply acknowledging your hard work. Remember, this journey doesn't have to end here. Continue to embrace the healthy habits you've developed and explore the benefits of a sugar-free lifestyle. You've done a fantastic job. The best is yet to come. Let's take a moment to recap the key takeaways from our discussion. We started by understanding the impact of sugar on metabolism and overall health, highlighting how excessive sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance and various health issues. In the first week, we tackled the challenges of withdrawal symptoms and explored healthy alternatives to sugary foods. By week 2, many of you began to notice improvements in energy levels and mood, along with changes in cravings and appetite regulation. By week 3, you embraced a new lifestyle focused on meal planning and healthy snacking, discovering delicious sugar-free recipes. In week 4, we celebrated your incredible results, from significant health improvements to positive metabolic changes. Reducing sugar in our diets cannot be overstated. It is crucial in enhancing our overall well-being and preventing chronic diseases. Making conscious choices about our consumption can pave the way for a healthier future. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and lifestyle advice. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from this journey. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for joining us on this sugar-free adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep thriving and stay healthy.